directing to file the review petition in High Court and gave us the liberty to come before this honorable.
Very good.
Your Lordship, we filed the review petition. There was Diwali break there in the High Court. Despite the order of this court, they disconnected water supply. They are coming to demolish the building. Also,
What happened on 24th October?
nothing, Malus, matter was adjourned. No,
You don't have any proceedings or 24th
Malus,
October?
order was not uploaded.
No, my lord, order was
At that time, order was not uploaded. I have a hard copy of it.
No.
Like,
Lordship, it mentioned in the MA also, annexed in the MA also. That order. Today's matter is listed as serial number 59 before I. Thank you, sir.
not people. Nikki, you filed an exemption application?
Yes, my lord.
Exemption application filed by Chief Secretary, State of Kerala. Is allowed. Who is present?
Principal Secretary, Local Self-Government.
Principal Secretary, Local Self-Government. You tell the name to the postmaster.
Yes.
Is present in his place. Very well.
Published.
7.
Your Lordship, my document consists of all the problems, all the solutions for 5 cities backed up with RTI. So I humbly request you to kindly go through it. 218476.
Very well.
Thank you so much.
You are Miss Jain, Vandana Jain.
Thank you. Also find the documents for the vacancy documents.
All right, all right. File में रख दीजिए. There is another matter, no? All right, thank you.
Grateful to thank you.
Once we pass the order, and in case you have any suggestions, you come up, we will consider that also. This is
They're not closing the matter.
a running matter, na? It's a running board.
Ongoing PIL.
Just for an update. MP's Chief Secretary has reached. He is in the court.
All their cases will be kindly heard on the next date before passing of
My
the
lords, for a short time, if we could be heard, because otherwise the
Next case.
pressure is increasing, my lords.
Postmaster, call out the next case. Sorry, I am not hearing anybody now.
In which the feeding areas are designated are wrong, and this is true. Because, for example, the MCD has designated about 262 areas. There are about 16. Just on principle, this is an illustration, my lord.
If we enter into a dialogue, it will take more time.
Yes.
Once she completes, we can proceed.
My short
We
point.
cannot stop her from.
No,
We cannot.
I am so grateful.
If you can, you they can. I will not make an attempt also.
I am so grateful. My lords, the very short point is this. Is that the manner in which they are currently implementing, even if they are,
Great.
is in some manners wrong, in some manners good. So we can be heard.
If your lordship is considering the issue of dog waste management, we also considered with it because that's a
This matter is going to continue for some time. It's not coming to a closure today. We are still doing the housekeeping work. So let us complete that. Let us get all the affidavits, compliance affidavits, all the implement applications allowed. Let there be material on record. Mr. Gaurav Agarwal, you can have 2 more, associates to help you.
Yes, sir.
in
He
this
can
exercise.
choose, my lord, whoever he wants.
Whoever you want, or if your office is competent
I have
enough, please.
nine people in my office. So there is no defection.
Now we will be, apart from recording the.
And
My
I
lords-
know the Chief Secretary personally, but he would not mislead
You
us.
take your word. Yes.
Your lordship can take.
My lords, two small. My lord, AWBI being pleaded. My lords, this is a very robust suggestion because they are the formal authority for a number of issues. So they could be directed to come. My lords, I'm sure that would be of great assistance.
Further.
My lords, the second point is that the manner in which the learned attorney had said that the state may be heard first. Now,
Yes.
that's whatever order my lords appreciate. However, the manner in which the directions are being implemented are leading to more aggression.
We will also be issuing some directions with respect to institutional menace which is being faced in private, specifically government institutions, public sector institutions and other big institutions, where the employees are supporting and feeding and encouraging dogs in that area. For that, we will definitely be issuing some directions. You will get the order in a couple of days.
Perhaps my lords may hear us prior to that.
No.
My lords,
Sorry, Ms. Nandini, no.
my lords, just in territorial jurisdiction. That's the only thing to keep in mind.
For institutional matters, we are not going to hear any argument at all. Sorry.
All the states are represented.
May I submit below? So far as state.
1 minute, I'm dictating an order. No interference in that. All the states are now represented. They have also filed their compliance affidavits. The chief secretaries are present in court as stated by the respective councils. Mr. Mehta Leonard has informed that the chief secretary of Madhya Pradesh has also landed in Delhi en route to the Supreme Court. However, he submits that the affidavit as required has been filed. Also, Mr. Gaurav Agarwal, he learned the amicus appointed by this court by order 28 July 2025 will make a convenience compilation of all the affidavits and their summary and provide it to the court by Wednesday.
Yes, Thursday actually. Wednesday is a holiday.
No, you provide it to
Yes, 100%.
soft copy you can give.
Yes.
You can have it delivered at our residence also, no problem.
No difficulty.
No, not required.
Not required as
That is for our convenience we are taking it. For you the order is relevant, huh? Otherwise you start filing objections to the... No. I don't understand everything, huh? What comes next, huh? Full stop, huh? The councils may also provide the checklist as suggested by Dr. Singhvi and Mr. Krishnan Venugopal and other senior councils present in court to Mr. Gaurav Agarwal.
Melons.
List for orders. For orders on 7.
My lord said I would be allowed.
On the demand
The
draft.
personal appearance of the chief secretary would no longer be required. However, their presence would again become necessary in case there is any default in compliance of the orders passed by this court.
It's just the balance. It's just the balance demand draftsman.
Yes, all that will come. Implement applications and intervention applications along with and where the deposits amount of 25,000 or rupees 2 lakhs, as the case may be, has been deposited with the registry, will stand allowed. Further, some of the applicants have not been able to make the deposit. They may do so. The registry will accept the same.
Till Thursday.
Lordship. Till Thursday.
Animal Welfare Board of India is we are not meeting with so far.
It is in my SLP, Your Lordship.
I think they are already under notice.
The victims also should have a say.
Victims need not deposit.
That is all. We have made it clear.
So their IASB allows.
IAs of filed by victims also stand allowed. They would not be required to make any deposit. And Animal Welfare Board of India, through its secretary or who is the...
Must be the secretary.
Through its secretary, New Delhi.
Try that and tell the court master.
You will not be good.
No, through
I'll ensure
chairperson
that-
or designate.
May be implemented and notice may be issued to the said board.
Well, it's on the last occasion we had, in furtherance of assisting the court, submitted one-pager notes on behalf of Ms. Geeta Seshamani and Shamila Tagore. My lords, may please refer to that. This is only...
No, we are in. Yes.
since my lords it has fallen from the bench that you wish to issue certain directions. So, my lords, in furtherance of that, to assist the court, we had submitted those notes, my lord.
Very.
They're all intervened.
But only one clarification. The Chief Secretary Madhya Pradesh enrolled, but he is online, not if your lordship would.
No, that's all right. We have taken about. So,
May I submit below?
My lords, just a small thing about the private institutions.
don't worry about that. Let us proceed state by state. We cannot have the whole thing.
We'll make a submission when.
Yes, next.
May I submit? The Chief Secretary Kerala filed an exceptional application, my lord. Honorable Vice President is visiting state of Kerala. And Principal Secretary,